¿Qué pasa?
You going to the house now?
Sí. ¿Y tú?
También.
También. Back at Silverstream with Gavino, our contractor here, and they're just starting to clean this thing out. Let's go take a look at what we got. This is all the guy's stuff that's now gone. We're gonna put in new flooring, right, Gavino? Yeah. So we're gonna take a good look at the floors right here. So you got multiple layers of flooring. How many layers of flooring was on this thing, huh? A lot? Yeah. So he's gonna have to straighten up the flooring so that everything floats over the top of it. So we still got the guy's stuff, we still got his TV. We'll put that in the corner over there, and then he'll run it down there. When Gavino comes through here, probably the first thing he's gonna do is paint, right? Yes. We're gonna redo this bathroom. We're gonna keep the shower, but we're gonna do different tile. All this tile's coming off. We'll keep this thing right here, and then we're just gonna modernize the tile. Okay? On the vanity, I would take out and put a granite, but because this is not a high-end property, we're gonna just put a regular vanity that we're gonna get from Home Depot with the top on it. Just buy the regular cultured marble top. This area we're gonna keep all nice and neat. To hide some of the stuffs on this mirror, we'll frame it out. We'll do like a picture frame all the way around to hide all the imperfections. Otherwise, we'd have to get a new mirror. This is a nice big mirror. People like big mirrors. So we're coming in this room right here. We're not gonna change the windows. We don't make any money changing the windows. They're functional. Let's put a new closet back in, make it nice and neat. We'll make sure we put smoke alarms. We're gonna put new light fixtures. I'd like to put new trim, new baseboards right here. We're gonna put new doors in. 2-panel, that's the little circle here and the square on the bottom. I like a 2-panel look because it looks more modern. Some handles on here too, that'll make it look flashy. So the HOA should have fixed this leak up here. We're gonna let it dry out. So let's put a 1/4-inch drywall on the top of it. Come on in here, take a look. So this is actually a pretty cool bathroom. I was originally thinking about taking out this door and widening this up, but actually would lose space because having a nice closet is a good thing to have. We're gonna tear this whole thing out. Yep. This whole thing comes out right here. Okay.
I'm gonna remove this thing too. Take it out.
Yeah, what is that?
Yes.
What's behind here?
No, nothing.
Ah, okay. Well, hold on, we got extra room. If we push it, right, we can make a door. If you push it all the way back, you can make like a linen closet, right? And then we can make shelves in it. If you push it all the way out.
Yes, the wall.
Oh, okay, so it's worthless, okay.
Now I'm gonna remove it and put it in drywall.
Okay, so what feels tight right here is this thing.
Stop it. Get some help.
What I'm trying to do is solve the problems for whoever buys it. What is weird here? This, let's take out.
Yes.
We're gonna knock down the soffit right here. So we have a flat wall. I want two can lights in here, and then put this thing back together. We'll keep the mirror, we'll frame out the mirror. This whole thing goes away. Let's put a nice double sink in here again.
Okay.
But what we can do, this is a trick. This is a trick Gavino knows I like to do. We buy the cheap vanities from Home Depot, the small ones, and then we could build a little shelf between them and use the granite on the top. They come with like a pre-fabricated marble, but if you buy a big vanity, it's like $1,000. To go buy a big vanity is $1,000. These vanities we're gonna buy, they're $99, $149. We'll take 2 of them, we'll put them together, and the way we'll put them together is we'll make the middle part shelf, and they won't even know that it's 3 pieces that we put together. Can we get these to push all the way in, or are these not gonna fit here?
No.
All right, so what we would do in this case is we just take these out. Okay, so we did this bathroom, we got that one. We'll put one regular, nice, I think we should put a ceiling fan in here. Okay. A nice ceiling fan. We'll replace this ceiling fan, and then we'll put 2 lights over there, 2 lights over there. It's kind of my little, I guess, pattern that I tend to roll with. So we should figure out which one of these. I'll have to talk to Clarissa. This is probably one of ours as well. I love this trailer, man.
Oh, yeah.
How much was it? $4 grand? I think it's this one right here. Yep, that's it. We're gonna want to put a motor in here. We're gonna have to replace this drywall, check for leaks. It looks like we might have had leaks here before. Let's clean all this crap out of here. Just throw this all away. We'll paint this white again, place the ceiling, and we'll make it all white and nice. And then on the floor, what are we gonna do on the floor?
Just paint.
Right? We always paint the garage floor. It makes it look brand new. We're gonna change every single one of our light fixtures, switches and stuff. Everything's been painted over. We'll change all those in the house and outside the house. That's pretty much everything. So we'll be checking back in like a week and we'll see where we're at from there. Okay? Sounds good. All right, I'll talk to you later, Chrissy. We're just gonna do a walkthrough on this thing. You're gonna wanna check it, because this is the stuff that the inspectors are gonna be checking. As he changed all these lines out, you're gonna make sure this is not leaking. Yep.
New lines up.
All new paint here, looks good. This all works good. We got new tile. Look it, looks like a brand new house.
Yeah.
But we're
I got the
missing.
towel head, yeah, it's right there.
This is
I got 2 of them.
this is done. All right, do we got to put a filter here too?
Yeah.
We have smoke alarms.
Yeah, I got it. Already got everything.
Smoke alarms. So I feel good about the house. And we got to put a little.
I got the glass already.
Got the glass.
Yeah.
We need to put handles.
Yeah. No, the little one, the bowl.
Yeah. Okay. So little handles.
Got it, yeah.
We need a closet door.
Got the door right there.
Do we have the washer and dryer here still, or is it gone?
Yeah, before they take it, the guy.
You take it?
Yeah.
Okay. So those are gone. That's fine. Do you think we should put closet shelves in here?
I don't know. It's up to you.
Please? At least one. You know, one from here to here, and one from here to here. This is our trick, right? This is a trick. Remember we taught you about the trick?
Yeah.
Okay, pay attention. If you bought this cabinet custom, this is a $700, $800, maybe $1,000 cabinet right now.
Something.
How much was this?
250, 2 something.
Total.
Yeah, each one.
So 125, 125. Then we just put a granite, and if we want to, we can put a towel thing in here, but this is a nice little hack that you don't gotta spend money buying a custom cabinet. Just buy 2 small cabinets, and then it looks custom. We got this one done. This looks great right here, Gavino. This on here, closet door, smoke alarms, clean the window. Everything else is ready to go. Look at this brand new floor. We gotta clean this up. This looks good. New appliances going in. Let's check out all the lighting. Lighting looks nice. This looks like a good job. This is good. Let's go to the outside. So I think we should paint this
Okay.
and paint just this door frame. Just
Same color? Yeah.
Just touch up the trim. Don't even touch up the body.
Buy the
Just
same
buy the
color,
trim
okay.
and buy this paint color right here, and that's
Okay.
it. We're gonna list the property. We're gonna go for $180,000. Just to let you know, when I bought the house, I planned for 120. When we went to go flip it, I planned for 150. Market's hot. One just sold, very similar for 175. We're going for 180 now. Market's good. He did a good job on the remodel. You think I should pay you some more money?
Yeah.
So you'll paint this, you'll fix that, we're done?
Okay.
Okay. All right. Peace out, that's it.